Good morning. This is Dr. Vijay Vadai. Would like to welcome you wholeheartedly on this third day of this online FDP, which is focused for the learning the BOSS operating system, which was created by CDAC, one of the important research organization in India, who is responsible for making the digital India very proud. In this particular FDP, Professor Vidya Kadam Madam, which is she is from the IIT Powai Mumbai. She is driving this particular programs very systematically, and she is giving the modules absolutely in form of this video, which has been given to all the participants. I am very happy that the three participants across the state, they are being engaged into the learning, into day-to-day activity. Whatever the videos are circulated to them, everybody is going through the video very carefully and trying to understand. I was also going through the various the reports. Out of that, one report I liked very much, which was created by Dr. Sonali Kothari. Her report shows that it was a very nice exemplifications and demonstration of the learning outcome out of this video 4, video 5 and video 6. In video 4, what she has learned, she has drafted and crafted very nicely, systematically. The report says that about the understanding and use of the most basic commands which has been understood in this video number 4. Then video number 5, which was given to all the participants, which was with respect to understanding and use of the files and directories of this particular complete structure of the various files, and she has maintained also the meaning of all these files and systems and its structure, how it is there and what is the meaning, has been properly explicitly written very carefully. And video number 6, which was with respect to the how the Linux files and commands are working actually when we are working with this operating system. You know that there are 3 layers of the operating systems. Mainly, if you consider the abstractions level, you have the hardware level, you have the applications layer, and you have the system level. So if you look at to the kernel side of the operating system, which is the basic, who was responsible for communicating to the hardware as well as to the user through this system file as well as the applications file. So if you try to understand the complete operating file structure, I think that your learning will be more careful and at the granular level what I was expecting to. Today you will be exposed to the 3 important topic. Number 1, trying to understand the attributes of the various files and the commands. Number 2 is the piping structure. What is the use of the pipe? What do you mean by the pipe? And what are the various processes which are there, which are responsible for communicating to the various hardware and as far as the users level. So this file structure, the various processes, the attributes of the file, and the piping which is responsible for communicating between the 2 processes. Output of one of the process is communicated into the other process, and which can be linked with this piping. So this is a very important exercise that will be given to you throughout the day, and your demonstration, you are working with each and every granularity of every as far as this piping is concerned, as far as the process is concerned, what are the various processes and how do you schedule the various process. So what are the algorithms behind that, which are the commands which are responsible for as far as understanding this particular piping and process structures of this Linux systems, that is expected from today. I am very happy that Professor Aarti Gaikwad and Pramod Deshmukh, they are steering, monitoring and governing the activity of each and every participants who are working remotely at their respective places. Though you may be working at your respective places, but try to follow the guidelines and timelines as far as this workshop is concerned or the faculty development program is concerned. It is also expected that some of the quizzes which has been given to you as far as the solving based on the study that you have done throughout the day has to be solved, because this is a very important activity which will help you to engage into actual learning, and that's why your learning is seen through the way that you are solving the puzzles and the activity which will be given to you time to time. I expect that every journal should be written based on the learning outcome on the various videos which are given to you. So then I can say that your spoken tutorial session of that particular day, the today's day, will be uh, appreciated, and I can say that it is the most successful activity of the day. I once again I wish you all the best for this day 3 and look forward for your better learning outcome, happy learning outcome. Best of luck from DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. Thank you very much.